Now I can see you all have brought the things I have said you all to bring. Okay?
Okay.
You all have brought. You all have brought all the things. Now what is this, Pute? What is this?
Books.
Not a box. This is a tank, fish tank. Have you seen fishes inside this?
Yes.
Can you all see fish now?
No. That's the big one.
Yeah, that's a big one. You have at your home?
Yes.
Yes. Now this is a small one. I have only this one. Okay. Now, do you know what are we going to do today?
No.
No. We are going to find the things which float, sink and dissolve. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now Pute, what is this?
A ball.
What is this, Mishma?
A ball.
A ball. What is this?
Mm,
This is a tile.
Tile.
What is this?
A
Tile. And what are these? What are these?
Tiles.
These are tiles. What is this? What are these?
Tiles.
These are? You all don't know what are these? See, these are stones.
Stones.
Can you see? Look at here. What are these? Stones. Then what is this? What is this? Battery. A piece of battery, okay? Then what are these? What are these? What? What? Marbles.
Marbles.
What are these?
Marbles.
Marbles. And what are these?
Flowers.
Flowers. And this one?
Leaves.
This one?
A pencil.
Pencil. Okay. And what is this? What is this? What is this? Can you see? What is this? Soap powder. What is this? Soap powder. Do you all wash clothes at home?
Teacher, I
Yes.
have that cup.
You have that cup. Okay. Then what is this? Here. These are? What is this?
Salt.
Very good. That is salt. Okay? Okay. Do you want to eat?
Yes.
Later. Not now. Okay? Now you know what. Do you know what are we going to do? We are going to put each one of these inside this fish tank in this water, and we are going to see the things which which float, sink and dissolve. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you can do. First, okay. Now I will take this. What is this?
A leaf.
Shall I put this?
Okay.
Okay. When I put the leaf inside the fish tank, what happens to that?
Float.
It floats. It stays on the water. So the leaf will float on water. Did you see that?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then this one, I will give the chance to who? Shenura. Shenura. Try this. Tell me whether the marbles float or sink. Either you take the battery. Okay. Wait. One by one. What happened? Does it float, sink or dissolve? Sure?
Yes.
Does it sink? Yes or no?
Sink.
Yeah, very good. It sink. Put your one. What is that? Battery. Put that. What happens?
Sink.
Very good. It's also sink in the water.
This one.
Put the ball and see what happened. What happened?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, now I will put this. What is this?
Salt.
Salt. Okay. Little bit of salt. When we put salt, what happened? It dissolves. What do you call Devanova in English? It dissolves. Dissolves. Yes. Wait. Put this and see. Put this. Put. What happens? What happens to that? That will also. What happened?
Salt.
Not salt. That's soap powder. What happens to the soap powder when you put it into the water? It will also. Shenura. Tell me what happens. It also dissolves.
Dissolve.
Dissolves. Okay. Okay. Now I will give you this, both of you. I will give you some flowers.
Oh.
Put the flowers. Tell me what will happen. Does it go down
Yeah.
or float or sink?
Flower.
Uday, do you know why this some see? Wait. Now look at here. Some things they float on water. Somehow they have gone down, and some of them have got dissolved. Okay. Now do you know why these things get dissolved? These things get float. Do you know? Banda? No. Now I put that into the water, but it comes back. Did you see here? But it comes. Why is that? Because this is not heavy. Here, see. Is this heavy? See whether it's heavy. Is it heavy? No. Put it. Because it's not heavy, it stays on the top of water. That means it float. Okay.
Flower.
Now the battery. See the battery. What happens? Put the battery. It goes down. Why is that? Because the battery is heavy. See whether it's heavy. Touch and see. See whether it's heavy. Is it heavy? Yes. That's why it goes down. Did you see?
Yes.
Here, see this stone. And now it has gone down. Keep it. Put the ball. Now you see the stone. Okay, this is a tile. Can I keep that on the top of the water? Can I keep? Yes. It goes down. Now when I keep the ball stays here. But this tile, it won't stay here. I can't keep it. Why is that? It goes down. Why is that? Because it's very heavy. That's why. Heavy things go down. Did you see?
Yes.
Yes. And stones. Put the stones. Put the stones and tell me whether it float, sink or sink. What happened? What happened? Tell me what happened. Sink. It sank in the water. Okay. Did you understood?
Yes.
Yes. Now wait. Now here see Pute. Don't. Okay. Look that. Look. I have some pictures here with me. Okay.
Okay.
Now you should come to the board and paste them. Okay? Can you all come? Okay, come. One by one. One by one.
Mish.
Wait. First Mishma come there. Okay. Quickly. Mishma, what are these?
More.
Balls? I told you what are these. These are marbles. Would they see what has happened to the marble? Has it float or sink? What has happened to the marble? The marbles has gone down, no?
Yes.
Then what has happened to the marbles? Sink. Now here paste. You should paste this. Take this. Right. Paste this. Where should you paste? On the top or in the bottom? Then paste it here. You pasted it there. Why? Because marbles has gone down in this fish tank. Can you see? Yes?
Marble.
Yes. Now who will come? Shenura, are you coming? Can't? Come. You come then, Mishma. Come. You can't come? Why? Why can't you come? Okay. Then you see. Pute, now what are these, Puta? Now take it to your hand and go and see what has happened to the flowers. What has happened to the flowers? The flowers are floating or sink? Floating. Then you should paste this. Where should you paste this? Where should you paste it there? Flowers are floating. Then flowers should be pasted here. Okay? Okay. Then what is this? Ball. See what has happened to the ball? What has happened to the ball? Floated or sink? floor. Then where should you place the ball? Very good. Place the ball. Next one. There are some. What are these, Pute? Stones. See, go and see and come. What has happened to the stones? What has happened? Sink. Very good. Now, then where should you paste this? Very good. Paste. Can you come, Shenora? No. Now we will give the chance to Shenora. Thank you, Mishma. Okay, go and sit down. Come, Pute. Shenora, come. Okay, what are these? Shenora, what are these? Nuts. Nails. Okay, come. First see what has happened to the nails here. What has happened to the nails? Where is nail? There is no nail. Okay. See what has happened to the nails? Sink or floats? Sink. Then where should you paste that? Okay. Now, what is this? Eraser. Then Pute, now tell me, where should you paste the eraser? Where should you paste the eraser? Top or bottom? Where should you paste? Here. What happened to the eraser? Sinking or floating? What? Sinking. Very good. Then? Here, paste it. Okay. Did you understand? Yes or no? Yes, then go and sit down. Go from this side. See. Now I have given you a fish tank. Can you see? Yes. Can you see? Sit. You fall. Okay. Can you see this? Now do you know why did I give you this? Why? I will give you some pictures now. Okay? I will give you some pictures. You should paste them in the correct thing. Whether this is your side and this is your side. Okay? Now you should paste this in the correct place. That means if this, what is this? Eraser. What has happened to the eraser? Eraser is float. Eraser is floating. Sinking. Okay. I'll take them aside. Now then you should look at this and you should paste this thing in your fish tank as you did in the ball. Okay. Can you? Do it. Paste these things. Okay. Paste in the correct place. What is that? What is that, Puta? What is that? Where should you paste that? On the bottom of the fish tank or on the top? Where? Sink. Then paste it there. Okay? You haven't that. Take the gum bottle. Now paste it. Okay. Then eraser. Sink or float, Pute? Eraser. Sink. Then what happened to this? Sink. Then paste that also. Where? Here. Marbles. What will happen to the marbles when you put into the water? Sink. Paste the sink, Okay. Marbles also sink in water. Wait. Did you all understand this? Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now Shenora, wait. Now you can take these pictures to your home. Okay, you can take them home and you can do this as your homework and come. Okay, should take this home and you should paste the rest of these pictures. Okay, you should do this at home and come. Can you, Shenora? Did you understand to do that? Yes or no?
Yes.
Mishma, did you understand?
Yes.
Can you do at home and come? Okay. So do this in your home as your homework. Okay? Okay. Then we will finish the class today. Okay? Okay. God bless you, children.
God bless you, teacher.